Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva for graphic design, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your desired web browser and navigate to the Canva website. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Enter your credentials and click Login. If you don't have an account yet, select Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, you will arrive at the Canva homepage. Familiarize yourself with the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. To start a new project, click on the Create a Design button located at the top right. Choose the desired design type from the drop-down menu, such as Instagram post or presentation. Once selected, a new canvas will open with a blank template. On the left sidebar, you will see various options including templates, elements, text, and uploads. Explore the templates section to find pre-designed layouts that suit your needs. Click on a template to add it to your canvas. You can customize it by clicking on any element to change colors, fonts, or positions. Next, head to the Elements tab to find shapes, lines, and illustrations. Click and drag any element you like onto your design canvas. Use the toolbar at the top to adjust size, alignment, and position of the elements. Now, let's add some text by selecting the Text tab on the left sidebar. Choose a text style or simply click on Add a heading. Type your text in the editable box that appears on the canvas. Adjust the font style, size, and color using the top toolbar. You can duplicate text boxes by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Next, if you want to add your own images, click on the Uploads tab. Click on Upload Files and select the images from your computer. Drag the uploaded images onto your design. To align elements, use the positioning. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on the Share button at the top right to see sharing options. If you want to download your design, click on the Download option in the same menu. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or PDF. Click the Download button to save your design to your computer. To revisit or edit your design later, return to your Canva homepage and find it listed under all your designs. Take your time to explore. Now you are ready to create stunning visuals using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.